Hi, welcome to Done by Dorothy. Dorothy here. We are so excited to have you with us today as we feature our very first episode of the Junk Journal Weekly Review. The Junk Journal Weekly Review is simply anything, everything, all things junk journal. We're so excited to launch this series where we will be covering Etsy stores, Facebook groups, YouTube channels, items, products, anything and everything that you can imagine. So if you're interested in being featured, please make sure you contact us at donebydorothycrafts@gmail.com. You can find that address in the description box below. We're super excited this week for our featuring shop is going to be an Etsy store, and it is Artful Savage by Pam. And I'll make sure I put that across the bottom of the screen here. Go check her out. There will also be links in the description box. She sent me this wonderful, cute little package here, and it is so adorable, seriously. When I contacted her about featuring her store, I have not seen this. I have not opened this. I have not looked at this. So I am super excited to dive in. So let's get with it. So she has these cute little postage stamp stickers here that are so cute. And they're washi stickers. So cute. I'm going to put this over here to the side so I don't lose it. Okay. Oh, let me put this one over there too. Okay. So let's get in here. I'm going to set this to the side here. Which has this cute little clip up here that she's got, the little tiny paper clip. That's cute. Okay. Oh, this is a business card. It's an altered color eco dye papers is what she features. Artful Savage by Pam. And it's actually a playing card. Nice. So she's actually had those printed up. Nice. Okay. Let's see. She contacted me. It says, "Hi, Dorothy. Thank you so much for including me. I really appreciate the exposure. This is one of the packages of papers I sell in my Etsy shop. Enjoy, Pam. Visit my Etsy shop at Artful Savage by Pam." And I'll put this up here so you can see her. There's her Etsy shop. And she sent this cute little file folder. She's got some washi around the edges. Gorgeous stamps. A little die cut. So that's really cute. So this is going to be some of her eco-dyed papers. Maybe a mixture of papers that she does. And you can buy physical papers. She also has digitals. So you can get either one. So, you know, if you're international, then you can get like that. Oh, these are gorgeous. Look at that, guys. I mean, she did amazing on that. Oh, that's so pretty. She did a wonderful job on that. So yeah, definitely check her shop out. I mean, if you are into eco dyes, nature journals, these are gorgeous, guys. And like I said, she has the digital and physical products. So, you know, if you want digital and you want to reprint, or if you want to actually have that, because I mean, these are some pretty heavyweight papers right here. I mean, I don't know if you can hear that or not. It's pretty heavyweight. This is gorgeous. I mean, look at the detail. Let me try to get up close so you can see. See the detail in that? And I mean, you can feel where these are gorgeous. Look at you can see the little flowers showing through. So cute. So yeah, you know, the physical and digital products, you cannot beat that. Oh, and this is like some just like heavyweight copy paper, it feels like. So yeah, you know, if you are interested in eco dye papers, you need to check out Artful Savage by Pam. And I will make sure at the end of the video that I put her Etsy shop up so you can check it out. And I'll put a link in the description box. Yeah, definitely if you were looking for eco-dyed papers, check it out. Pam has did a great job with these. They are just beautiful. Look at that. Those are just, there is so much detail in there. I mean, up into here in the blues, the yellows, these flowers. It's just gorgeous. Oh, look at these. I'm so excited. Look at the little leaves. There's so much detail, like every single little vein. These are amazing. If you guys have not checked out her shop, you need to check her out because these are just something else. Love that, love that, love that. Gorgeous. Oh, I like that because that almost has like the offset, like you get the layers of like different pages together. And then these are a couple. This is a couple that she's printed off of the digitals. Isn't that pretty? Now I think I'm gonna have to go get this kit because I love this blue. And there's another print that she's made. Isn't that pretty, guys? I mean, I love that purple and the blue. She has did amazing. So pretty. Here's a little cutoff page, it looks like. Pretty. Nope, I'm gonna put it this way. Definitely, definitely go check out Pam at Artful Savage. Artful Savage by Pam. Absolutely gorgeous. You guys, these are pretty. I mean, I wish you could like see through the camera to see what they actually look like up close, like more than just like a thing. And I'm hoping that it comes through on the video really well. So yes, if you are interested in eco-dyed prints, or if you've never worked with eco-dyed prints, as far as like, you know, buying them from somebody or printing digitals, and I have done that, these are amazing. I mean, the detail in these are just, I mean, look at those little leaves. It is just gorgeous. So yeah, you know, make sure you check Pam out over at Artful Savage by Pam. So pretty. And be sure to check out her site. Again, this is the Junk Journal Weekly Review, where we reviewed Artful Savage by Pam this week. If you're interested, please contact us in becoming a featured shop or group or channel in the future. Thank you for tuning in. We hope you enjoy and hope, you know, hey, go check her out and see what you think. I will see you next time for our next episode. And thanks for stopping by. Bye now.